Hey, what's up guys, I'm Henry and today I'm reviewing a new bicycle tool, this time from Sportixx, and this is a bike chain keeper. This chain keeper serves to clean up your bike chain, to store the bike or transport it over. It is adjustable, light, sturdy enough and takes no space at all. It is really small, I mean, just look at that. As you see, the chain keeper also slides smoothly across the bar. Trying out this new bicycle tool also gave me a great chance to clean up my old vintage road bike which I have left on my garage. Now let's go and step in and see how easy it is to set this up. First up, simply remove the rear wheel. Now I don't have a bike stand right now, so I'm putting the bike upside down. Snug the chain keeper into place above the rear derailleur, just as I'm doing right now. Is very easy. This is pretty cool also, as I mentioned before. Besides keeping the chain tensioned and away from the frame, it also slides as you shift gears up and down. Taking off the rear wheel also makes it easier to clean the inside of the chainring and have more room to move. So my final verdict, I think this is really useful. I had a great experience using it. It is very small, light, comfortable. If you want to store your bike and take off the rear wheel, it will keep a tension on your chain. And of course also if you want to clean up the chain, this will make your work easier. So I think for $16 it is retailing right now. I think it is worth the money. If you're interested to buy this little guy, I've put the link in the description below where you can purchase it directly from the official retailer. And that's all about it guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If so, give it a thumbs up, it always does help a lot. And if you're new to my channel, then subscribe, because I put a lot of awesome stuff there that you might like. So yeah, subscribe right here. Again, thanks a lot for watching. I'm Henry. Have a good day.